Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to put together some Ikea Billy bookcases and then add some doors to them so that you can hide all of your kids' toys nicely put away and out of sight. Here we go. Okay, so we've got the box of the bookcase here, so we'll put that in. There we go. Alright, I actually like to lay everything out pretty much the way that the bookcase is going to be put together. So you can tell which ones are the shelves because there's not as many holes in them. So I'm just going to lay that out. Okay, so step one is take all your shelves and put the wooden dowels in. Okay, so there we go. Looks pretty close to what it looks like down there. Okay, so step two, we're going to install these guys on the side pieces. Now, if you're going to use a drill, make sure that you use it gently because you don't want to strip. Okay, so now we're going to do step three. Basically take everything that we have here in the middle and pop it over onto one of our side pieces. So I think I'll use this one. One. Okay, so step 6, done. Step 7, put the backing on. Okay, so step 7, complete. Step 8, mounting it to the wall, which we will hold off on until a little bit later. So there is your Ikea Billy bookcase. Now we've got one more addition that we're going to add to this one here, and that is doors. So let's grab the doors and put those on now. Okay, so just like most IKEA cabinet doors, back of the door you're going to find a round cutout. And that's where your hinge is gonna go with 2 star tip screws. So pop those in, put your screws in, and away you go. Here's the screws. Okay, got your little plastic. Now that you have that step completed, you're going to want to take your door over to your cabinet and over here and add the second half of your hinge. Okay, so this is the part that you want to go inside the cabinet. You'll see there's an arrow on it. Make sure you have that arrow facing outwards, I believe. Quick look here. So here it is here. And you can see the arrow, okay, facing out. What you want to do okay, so basically you put it over the screw that's in there. So, oops. Slide it in and tighten her down. So, last thing you want to do is put on your handle. Bring it over here for that. Basically, put your screw through the back of the door. And you can see that on the front, the foil hasn't been broken through yet, so be careful. Carefully, carefully, carefully. Hit that. And that's going to start to go through. And then put your knob on. Ta-da! So there you have it. Bookcase with the knob. Now, I gotta put the other door on. And there you have it, a completed bookcase for the twins room. If you haven't seen the video on how to attach these to the wall, I'm gonna link that up here for you. Right up here somewhere, up here. Yeah, I'm gonna link that video. Make sure you attach these cabinets to the wall. Won't repeat that one in this video here. That is how you assemble an Ikea Billy bookcase with doors. All right, so if this video helped you assemble your Billy bookcase or answer some questions, make sure you give me a like below. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this one. And until next time, take it easy out there. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.